Well, tonight in downtown Rochester, a girls' night out for a good cause. Lena Skrelly and Company Beauty Studio hosted a charitable night benefiting wish child Emily from the Rainbow Connection. She's 4 years old and currently in treatment for neuroblastoma. Her wish is to go to Disney World, so salon owner Lena Skrelly and staff spent the night giving the full beauty treatment from brows to blowouts, with 100% of the proceeds going toward Emily's trip. And it was a success. The night brought Emily to her $10,000 goal, where she says she looks forward to meeting all the princesses and dressing up just like them. You can still contribute to Emily's trip and help her family out with their medical bills. We've put a link to her GoFundMe page on WXYZ.com. We're certainly wishing her all of the best.